Hi, it's Oliver from Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be showing you this brand new vehicle.
Let's take a look at this beautiful Land Rover Range Rover long wheelbase Autobiography. The vehicle features a 3-litre D350 diesel engine and an automatic gearbox. This Range Rover Autobiography is finished in the stunning Carpathian Grey exterior colouring. The vehicle sits on these 22-inch 10 split-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish. At the front of the vehicle we have these digital LED headlights with signature daytime running lights and image projection. And at the rear of the vehicle we have these LED tail lamps. Now taking a look inside the rear of the vehicle, we are greeted with a rather large amount of boot space. As you can see, you can quite easily fit a set of suitcases, your weekly shop, or maybe even a set of golf clubs. Located on the right here we have access to a 12-volt power outlet, and on this control panel here we have the ability to raise and lower the vehicle's ride height to help with loading the vehicle, and also access to our electrically deployable tow bar. Located underneath the boot space we have access to a spare wheel should we ever need it, and once again at a click of a button our electric powered tailgate will close itself for you. Now taking a look inside the rear seats of the vehicle, straight away we have access to our rear media screens, which are essential for long journeys while travelling in this vehicle. On these air vents here we have the ability to control the airflow within the rear of this vehicle and also access our rear climate control system. The seats themselves are composed of this ebony leather interior. We also have a centre armrest which will easily fold away to comfortably seat a third passenger, and we also have these rear ISOFIX points available for any younger companions joining you on your journey. Now taking a look inside the front of the vehicle, we have our leather multifunctional heated steering wheel, our colour touchscreen display, and once again these gorgeous ebony leather seats. Now these seats are electrically adjustable with plenty of height and seat adjustments available. They also feature a memory function so that the driver and passenger can always resume the perfect travelling position. Now returning back to our leather multifunctional heated steering wheel, on the left of the steering wheel we have our media controls, and on the right of the steering wheel we have our lane keeping aid, cruise control, speed limiter and heated steering wheel controls. Now this Range Rover has done 14 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. We also have access to multiple driver displays to choose from, including navigation, media, trip summary, 4x4 information, driver assistance, and an empty panel for anyone who might find this distracting. Now this vehicle also features a head-up display system which allows the driver to focus on the road ahead of themselves, allowing themselves not to get distracted while driving the vehicle. Now taking a look at our colour touchscreen display, we have all the essentials like a DOB radio system and Bluetooth telephone functionality to take those all important calls on the go. We also have access to a satellite navigation system so that the driver can easily navigate to their destination. The vehicle is also equipped with a 3D surround camera system, which is a great feature to have when getting your vehicle in and out of those tight parking situations. By clicking on seats we can access our heated and cooled front seat controls, along with a massaging function with a wide range of different massaging types and massaging styles to choose from. By clicking on seat heat we can adjust the temperature on our heated and cooled front seats, along with our heated and cooled rear seats as well. The vehicle is also equipped with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and even a valet mode to keep your personal information and address safe when having the vehicle valeted. By clicking on 4x4 information we can access key information to have when taking the vehicle off-roading. We also have easily accessible vehicle dimensions, which once again is a great feature to have when trying to fit your vehicle in and out of those tight parking situations. The vehicle is also equipped with a terrain response system, which offers you multiple different programs to suit the terrain that you are driving on. We also have access to an electrically deployable tow bar, making this vehicle perfectly suitable for carrying trailers, boats, or maybe even jet skis. Now this Range Rover is also equipped with a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is a great feature for sunny days or summer drives, as not only does it allow plenty of daylight into the vehicle, but also plenty of fresh air, creating a nice light open feel.
This vehicle comes with 3 years manufacturer's warranty and 3 years roadside assistance. For more information, call us on 017 858 99446 or inquire online now.